I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, cause I know then you'll see.
What's up guys? So today we are going, guess where? We are going to Devkund waterfall and right now the time is 5:45 and so we are basically going to Devkund waterfall and that's why we have to get up early for that because it takes quite a long time to reach over there. So it's going to be a long journey ahead. I'll take you through.
And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying.
So guys, welcome back to Explanation. I am talking today, so I'll ask Sean some questions. Why are you going Devkund?
Because Devkund is, many people spoke about that place but no one actually reaches to Devkund because it's very far. Because now, like we are coming from Borivali all the way and we are sitting down in a train which is running on the central line for 2 hours.
He's sitting in the train, he made some friends also. TikTok ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं YouTube?
वीडियो देखते हैं
अभी TikTok बोल रहा था।
चलेगा भाई।
सच बोलो क्या देखते हो? YouTube पे TikTok। आप क्या देखते हो? YouTube पे TikTok? YouTube ज़्यादा देखते हो या TikTok ज़्यादा देखते हो? TikTok ज़्यादा देखते हो। आपको TikTok ज़्यादा पसंद है?
पहले तो नहीं था बट आप देखता हूँ।
अच्छा। और आप भी झूठ बोल रहे हैं, आप भी TikTok देखते ऐसा पलटी मारा।
कोई बात नहीं, अगर आप
तो वीडियो शूट करने से पहले बोले थे TikTok, अभी YouTube हो गया। हाय मैडम, हाय। He likes TikTok more than YouTube.
These are few of our friends we met in the train. They're helping us kill our time over here. It's actually, the ticket is 60 bucks per head and it takes around 15 minutes to reach Pali and from there we catch another bus which will take us to Bhira village. The current bus journey now is very Welcome back, and now we are on our way to Devkund waterfall and we are traveling since 5 hours and yet we are traveling because we left the house at around 6 o'clock from Mumbai and it took us 5 hours to reach to Pali and the bus frequency over here is very little and
So basically we missed the bus, so we are coming by rickshaw.
We are coming by rickshaw and here rickshaw
All
roads.
credits goes to him. So now we are coming. So if you are coming by train to Devkund, you should not come.
Don't come by train, please. If you all have a private vehicle or book a private bus, that would actually work.
See, train is recommended if you are coming to stay here for 2 days, but if you want to
Because to be honest now, I will tell you that even if you leave at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock now, the bus intervals will still keep you halted over here and then you'll have to wait for the bus and anyways we become late coming by train because you have to switch so late.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, we are back and the time right now is क्या हो रहा है बेटा? 2 बज रहे हैं and we are yet on our way to the trek and the guard told us that guide told us that the place shuts by 2 o'clock, but anyhow we sneaked inside and we have more 45 minutes of way to cover and we have like barely completed 15 minutes of the trail. So I'll take you.
And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Guys, this is how Bhira Dam looks like. and the water is pretty deep, you can see, but it's a really good beauty you can spend time with. We are pretty late, so we cannot spend much time over here, but you can see how beautiful the place is. And how long are we going to reach the waterfall? Any estimation? Just a guess or something?
I'm the GPS over here of this area. I'm saying Sean was guiding me to this place, and now he's asking me how much the feeling
I've given hope. I've given.
This guy gave me a scheme that he's going to take us to this place.
To be honest, I have given hopes on my instincts right now because I think this place played me a lot. We thought something else happened. Okay, that's okay. But now I wanted to ask Steve, since he has a channel on YouTube. His channel name is You Entertainer. How many subscribers? Some 200k subscribers I think he must be having.
See, honestly not 200k, it's 173,000. But
So-
200k soon.
So he basically makes awareness videos. He makes short alert videos he makes. Then he makes awareness, then some prank videos. So do go and check out his channel. Finally we have reached Devkund waterfall. I will show you the place in 3, 2.
Una vida ganaste la ruleta, con tu movimiento gáname, bailando, gozando tu cuerpo flamenco le. Una vida ganaste la ruleta, con tu movimiento ves, otra vez,
Ramaramani, Vajanamani, do Ramaramani, Vajanamani, do Ramaramani, Vajanamani, do Ramaramani, Vajanamani.
This is damn freezing cold. But we are enjoying a lot.
Getting cramps, benchod.
It is one of the best trek I've done till late. Thank you, Sean, for this. I was a bit rude, but it's okay. 8 hours of journey, but this is worth coming over here. Some fishes are like literally sucking my feet from down. Okay, it's a caution warning, whatever. You should not cross this rope. But this guy made me cross this rope. Mommy.
otra vez,
Ramaramani, Vajanamani, do Ramaramani, Vajanamani, do Ramaramani, Vajanamani, do Ramaramani.
So guys, right now it's around 6 o'clock and we have to get out of this off-roading trek part and reach to our bus stop, which will take us home. Overall, we are all not that tired because we got much refreshed with the water over there, and we all are not tired. We are fresh enough to reach home. So guys, if you like the video, share the video, like the video and subscribe to the channel.